Hello students, I am Sasi Bhushan Misra. This is the second portion of the revision of the set theory. Set theory has been restarted. So this is the second video on set theory. Just see. In the second video, I will start with this problem. Write all subsets of 4, 5, 6 and 7. The students, it is the difficulty level of the problem is high because the members are in this way. One member is 4, other member is 4, other member is 5, 6. 5, 6 at a time. So let 5, 6 is equal to x. To remove the confusion, let 5, 6 is equal to x, so that your new set will be this 4x7. This is 4x7. This is your new set. Now you know how to write the subsets. In previous video I have discussed 3 members are there, so the total number of subsets are 2 to the power 3, 8. 8 subsets are there. If we consider this 5, 6 to remove the confusion as x. Now the subsets are: first empty set, empty, nothing is taken. Second singleton set 4x7, double 4x, x7 and 4, 7, and after that all 4x7 all are taken. So these are the 8 subsets. Now putting the value of x is equal to 5, 6. Everywhere x, this is empty set, nothing to be substituted. This is 4, this is 4. Now this x is equal to 5, 6, 7 as usual, 4 as usual. Put the value of x 5, 6. Then x7, this 7 already existing in black color everywhere. 7. Now x7, 4, 7. This is 4, 7, and after that 4. Put the value of this x, this, and 7. So these are the 8 subsets answer. So in this way we can do the complicated problem. Now students, remember that this is the second question. A and B are given. Find A union B and A intersection B. The third type, we have entered in third type. In first type, I discussed how to change the tabular form to set builder form, tabular to builder and vice versa. In the second type, I discussed how to write the subsets, and in the third type, I am going to discuss the operation on set. This problem is of third type. Now the problem, this second number problem written on the board is of third type. So just see the third type. A and B are given. Find A union B and A intersection B. This is the symbol of union. U stands for union, capital U, and this intersection. So just see what are the union and what are the intersection. This stands for union and this intersection. Now A union B, A and B both are being combined. Suppose this set is A and this is your B. A and B both are being combined. So A union B is equal to set of all x. Anywhere x can exist. All x such that x is a member of A or x is a member of B. This or may be symbolized by this. There is one more symbol of or. You can use this. Or can be symbolized. This or can be symbolized with this. Or. And the meaning of union is everywhere. This is the meaning of union. A union B, all shaded. A intersection B, the common portion is shaded. A and B, this is the called intersection. And in case of intersection, we use and. And is symbolized sometimes by this. But in your book, this is popular, and is popular, or is popular. These two symbols are not popular in the book. But somewhere you may find. Now the union, the meaning of union means take all without repetition. Repetition is set, means set is not permitted. Union. Suppose you have to find A union B. Write the value of A. 4, 5, 6, 7. Union B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the union means all are taken, nothing to be left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4, 5, 6, 7 already taken, 8, 9, 10 remaining. So this is the answer of A union B. Now A intersection B, you have to write the common. The common is 4. 4 is not common. So 5 is common, 6 is common, 7 is common. So this is A intersection B. In this way, we can find the union and intersection. This definition, mathematical definition, will be helpful to you later on. But remember that this second one is not necessary. Now, the local definition will be answering all the questions, no problem at all. Now, what are the subset and the superset? Next, our next aim is to find the subsets and super subsets. Just see what are these. Subsets, you know, the students earlier I taught if A is equal to, in the previous video, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the subsets are, there are 8 subsets. The number of subsets I have already told. Empty set, then singleton 1, 2, 3, then pairwise 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Then the whole set is taken. So this 8 subsets, this is the formula to find the number of subsets. So this empty set is a subset of A. And at the same time the superset, subset means chota, superset means bada. Vice versa. This phenomenon is called vice versa. A is superset of this empty set. 1 is a subset of A. This 1 is a subset of A. And A is a superset of 1. Similarly, taking 2, 3 random. 2, 3 is a subset of A. And at the same time, A is a superset of 2, 3. So the subset and superset both are vice versa type thing. So these are clear to you now. Now move towards one more thing, universal set. The bigger sets are called universal sets with respect to the given sets. And for example, on the whiteboard, U, this is symbolized by capital U, dark U with this type of tail. Just see the tail, this tail with dark U. Now this is, see this symbol, universal set, A, B, C, D, E. This is simply bigger or equal with respect to all the given sets. The given sets are A, B, C. So for A, ABC is already contained in U. So universal set will contain each and every thing of these 3 small sets. Likewise, India is universal set of all states, all Indian states. Similarly, this is the concept of universal set. The equality may be there. The whole India is universal set of the whole India. Now, what is the meaning of this and what are the uses of this? Why we learn universal set? There is a term complement of sets. Complement of set A. This is symbolized by A complement, and mathematically this is called mathematically U universal set minus A. It is very easy to find a complement for this question. Suppose this is the question, find the value of A complement, find A complement, B complement, etc. A union B complement, A intersection B complement. All these you can have. Now just see. First of all, we are going to find out A complement. A complement means U minus A. Now write the value of U. U is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E minus A. A is A, B, C. So just see how the subtraction, the difference of two sets. Before this, you must be knowing the difference of sets. Difference. This is very easy in mathematics. Suppose this is A and this is B. This portion is called A minus B. A minus B, and A minus B is defined as set of all x's which are the member of A and x is never a member of B. A minus B. This is A minus B. In this portion, X belongs to A. The X will be member of A, but not member of B. Now just see the local rule to find out this. No need to put more stress. Just see the local. How this is conducted, local rule. Suppose you are not knowing the definition, A cancel with A, B cancel with B, C cancel with C. And the remaining is the answer. So D and E are the answer. So this is your answer. Now similarly, suppose you have to find out B complement. This is U minus B mathematically. So put the value of U from here. A, B, C, D, E minus B. B is B, C, D. Again use the local definition. B cancel with B, C cancel with C, D cancel with G. And the remaining is A and E. Now the students, it is also not very easy and less time taking. One more, the fastest rule I am going to teach you, that what is A complement. Just see what is B complement, the fastest, the most fastest rule you are going to learn. A complement. Just see, write A. A is ABC, and after that put the sign of complement. Complement means ABC, leave ABC. Leave ABC from this. Go to this universal set and leave ABC. इसको छोड़ दो ABC को, and the remaining will be D and E. So D and E is the answer. So to find the complement, just leave the member of A, and from where? From universal set. Go to universal set, leave or cut the members, and the remaining members should be taken. Now to take B complement, write the value of B. B is BCD complement. Now go to universal set and cut BCD. Cut BCD and you will be left with A and E. So A and E. And just see, this answer is equivalent to this. And similarly, this answer is equivalent to this. So why not we will use the fastest technology? The fastest rule you will be expected to use in future. Now likewise, this portion is called B minus A. This is called B minus A. From B, A is fully out. So if X is here, then B minus A is defined as set of X such that X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. Now this is the mathematical definition. These difference of sets have been deleted from the syllabus. No need to put more stress unnecessary. Now moving towards another problem. There are many problems written on the board. So just see one more term, very important and urgent term before going ahead. The term is symmetric difference. What is the symmetric difference? This is very urgent. Symmetric difference. This is the symbol of symmetric difference. A symmetric difference B. Find asymmetric difference B. How it is obtained? So the symmetric difference, asymmetric difference B is written as A minus B union B minus A. Students, this is very urgent for you, but it has been deleted from the syllabus. So to find the value of asymmetric difference B, move towards this. Now A symmetric difference B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Now in right side I am going to find out A minus B. A minus B. Write the value of A, ABC minus B. B is BCD. BCD. Now just see B cancelled, C cancelled, and we are left with A. Similarly, to find B minus A, to write the symmetric difference, we need both. So A minus B we have got. Now we are going to find out B minus A. So this is BCDE minus A is ABC. The cancellation of B and C, so the left is D and E. Now students write the value A minus B is A union D and E. So your final answer is ready, ADE. Now how will you find out this A union B complement? The last 2 minutes and the problem is going to be over. A complement you know, B complement you know, A union B complement. Write the value of A union B. A union B you have not got and not available on the board. So just let me obtain A union B. This is your ABC union B, BCD. Now the value is A, B, C, D. Stop. Now write here A, B, C, D and put the sign of complement. To find the complement of this, except A, B, C, D, except A, B, C, D, चारों को छोड़ करके A, B, C, D, except A, B, C, D, the E is answer. So that directly you can write E is the answer. Now to find out A intersection B complement, the common in A and B, just get A intersection B here. A union B, you have written A union B here. And now A intersection B. A intersection B means ABC intersection B, BCD. So just see the intersection is B common and C common. So this is BC. Now write BC complement. So except B and C from universal set, we are getting ADE. So this is your answer. So students, you have seen that how all these are answered, but these have been deleted from the syllabus, new syllabus, lockdown syllabus of CBSE. So now the set theory is very easy. Try to like and subscribe and share among all those who are the lover of mathematics and who are the students of class 11. Thank you.